Okay guys, welcome back to the JB Impacts Kitchen. Today we're doing a ground turkey sweet potato black bean skillet that is macro friendly and is absolutely delicious. Let's go. Alright guys, we're back at it again. John and Lynnette in the kitchen. It's a ground turkey sweet potato black bean skillet. Fits in your macros, very healthy. Alright guys, welcome back. We're now in the kitchen with my beautiful wife Lynnette in the JB Impacts compound. And we're gonna give you some healthy macro recipes to keep you on your nutrition program.
So I'm using some extra lean ground turkey. I'm just going to go ahead and cook it. And in a separate pan, I'm just gonna do a little bit of avocado oil. I've chopped up my bell pepper. And I'm gonna add the bell pepper. I'm gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes while the ground beef or ground turkey is cooking. And then we're gonna add our sweet potatoes to our skillet. Once they're soft, we're gonna combine everything together. So right now we're just gonna cook. I usually just use onion powder, seasoning salt, and pepper for the ground turkey. You can add some red pepper flakes or any seasoning that you really like. So we're just gonna let that cook for a while. My bell pepper for 5 minutes. You can do all of this actually in one skillet. I prefer to do it in two. It cooks faster. You can always cook your ground turkey first, then add your bell peppers and your sweet potato, but I'll cook my bell peppers for 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna add my sweet potatoes with the bell peppers, and I'm gonna cook it on medium for probably like 15 or so minutes, and I'm gonna cover it just so it kind of cooks faster. Once this is all done, we're gonna add it to our ground turkey with our beans, put a little bit of mozzarella on it, and then it's done. I'll usually serve it over rice for my kids, but for me, I'll just eat it as is. So we're gonna let this cook for about another 15 minutes. Okay, so our sweet potatoes are done. I forget to say, add a little bit of, just a tiny bit of salt, otherwise it'll not be as tasty. I'm just gonna combine it with our ground turkey. I only did a half a cup of the black beans. You can obviously do a whole can. I just did a half a cup. And we're just gonna mix it all together. So good, the kids love it. Super filling, all clean carbs. Took 20 minutes to cook, so it's really fast. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of mozzarella cheese. I'm not gonna put it on right now because I only do a little, my kids will do more. You'll just sprinkle a little bit of mozzarella on, let it melt, maybe cover for a minute or two, and it's done.
Alright guys, here's the final product. This is what my wife is eating. As she explained, she's going to be adding some rice for the kids. Delicious, macro-friendly, very healthy, clean carbs, and lean meat as well. Bon appetit!